In this video, I will show you how you can change the language on your Yahoo Mail account. First, what you need to do is you need to go into yahoo.com. Yahoo.com right here. I'm on the page now, then you're gonna log into your account. I've already logged into mine right here. Hover your icon up here, press manage your account. Then you should be taken to this page. From in here, you're gonna click on personal info. Perfect. From in here, you should see a button that says language and update language. Now you're gonna click on this and click the little drop down arrow here, and you can select any language that they support. So I have mine on English. You can choose any language like Spanish or whatever. Just choose one, save updates, and now your Yahoo will be in that language. Thanks for watching.